Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this cute hair combo in Dress and Press. Alright, first of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection and then I'm going to choose the straight hair. But wait, let me find the hair. Okay, you can put on this hair and then you can color it as you like. For me, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the curly hair, and then we can put on this hair, and I'm going to make it the same color. And then I'm going to go to the updo hair, and I'm going to choose, for the updo hair, you can choose this one, and then you can color it with the same color. Okay, and then you will have this hair combo, this cute hair combo in Dress and Press. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!